Nice to see you, my busy world friends. My name is Natalia and welcome to our channel. 2 days ago the weather was fantastic. But for tomorrow, the forecast promises strong storm. So we need to get ready to it before it starts. We will remove all objects from the deck and fasten tightly everything that will stay here. And we will start from the dinghy. We will put it down like this. We close the hatches and check the mooring lines. We check how well the ropes are fastened and we take all objects from the deck down. All objects. We removed everything that was removable and fastened tightly all the rest. Now, final check. We added 2 more docking lines. And still forgot something. For sure we will take this downstairs. It's 5:30 a.m. in the morning. The storm begins. The wind is 20-25 knots so far. Our Marina before sunrise. Loud wind and ropes beat on the masts. Amicus is ready for the storm. We take James for a walk on the beach while it is still possible. It's 10 minutes to 9 now, so the gusts started to increase up to 30 knots. Our solar panels are still in place. Meanwhile, the wind is getting stronger. 1 more hour has passed, so it's gusting from 30 to 40 knots now. Despite the storm, Mr. James feels absolutely safe. Now the wind is gusting up to 45 knots. It's 10:30 in the morning. Kiters are enjoying the wind. This is how our Marina looks today. The wind is 35-40 knots. A new gust is coming to us, a new squall. The wind now is more than 40 knots.
Where is our boat? Just to protect it because the wind is now getting stronger. Where is our boat? Our gangway to protect it from the gust.
Now our gangway is fixed and safe. Our solar panels are still in place, which is good news. Morning next day. It's cold and quiet. Everything that we fastened on the deck remained in place. Nothing is broken. Thank you very much for watching. We will continue making videos about our boat. Please take your time to watch, like if you like, subscribe and stay safe and healthy.